Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Motherhood and More, and I'm Neetu. Hope all are doing fine. I know I have promised to upload a various worksheets this summer, but I'm so sorry I couldn't do it last month. I was going through a lot during that period. I was tested positive and had a severe breathlessness and multiple issues, but by God's grace I am totally fine. Thank you for all your good wishes. Now I was getting a lot of DMs from the parents like what I am working on during the month to teach my little one the new concepts and everything apart from the academic curriculum. So I have designed certain sheets which are of the topic which are not in his curriculum right now, as of right now, or they are just have been introduced and he'll be learning them very soon. So out of those, I'll be sharing today two of the grammar topics, that is articles and parts of speech. And in parts of speech, particularly, I have taken nouns. So because nouns have been introduced in his grade 1. So firstly, I made him understood the concept of uh, parts of speech and made him clear that there are 8 parts of speech in grammar, mainly pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, besides noun, which has been introduced in his grades. So in noun, on the first page, I always make a learning sheet. So on this, I have made a definition uh, where he has been explained that the part of what is this part of the speech, then what is a sentence mainly, then parts of speech is divided into 8 parts, wherein I have written just the examples and small description, a very brief description about each part of the speech. Like pronoun, it replaces noun to avoid any repetition. Adjective describes noun or pronoun. Verb, action words. Adverb describes the word by telling how, where, when, often, how often, or to what extent an action is done. Preposition, it tells the relationship with noun pronoun. Conjunction is a joining word, and interjection is an expressive word. So I have just given certain examples to give him a brief overview of what are these particularly. Then I have named noun. What is a noun? Noun are general naming words. Now what comes into the naming words? The names of persons, place, animal or thing. Then I have classified them into 4 groups, like we used to play the game name, place, animal, thing in our times, school times. So I have made a grid out of which I have divided it into 4: people or person, place, animal, thing, and I have given certain examples so that he could get a simple introduction of what it is. Then I have mentioned activities. Now the first activity says underline the nouns in the sentences. Now I have written 10 sentences, and after each sentence, in the end of each sentence, I have written the numbers. Like number 3, this number denotes that there are 3 nouns in the sentence, and so he has to identify or underline the 3 nouns, as you can see he has done. In this way he has done the 10 sentences. The second activity says write P if it's the name of a person, A if it's the name of an animal, T if it is the name of a thing, and PL if it's the name of a place. So I have written certain nouns, and he has to write down the instructed abbreviations for it. Now the third activity is sorting activity, wherein I have made a checkbox where I have written certain nouns, and he has to classify them under the 4 categories. Now the fourth activity says circle the correct nouns in each sentence marked respectively. So I have mentioned 4 the 4 sections in the grid, wherein I have mentioned place, animal, person, people or thing, and have just jumble up certain nouns, and he has to identify the correct noun as per the instruction and circle the correct ones. Then the fifth activity says search the marked words in the sentences below and cross out the words which are not nouns but are marked as nouns. Then sixth activity, he has to identify the underlined words and has to write what sort of noun it is. Then the seventh activity, he has to connect the noun with the correct classification. Then eighth activity is the quick noun test, where he has to tell me what are nouns. He has to circle the nouns in a sentence and then he has to write three examples of person, place and thing. In ninth activity, it is something interesting and entertaining for him too, because he likes coloring. So I have made it as like he has to color the place noun with red, person noun with blue, animal noun with yellow and thing noun with green. So in this whole grid, he has to identify the different types of nouns and then he has to color them accordingly. Then the last activity says write any 4 sentences using each of the nouns. So he has to write 4 sentences using person, place, animal or thing. So this was my first activity book of the nouns. And in the next video, I'll be sharing, in the part 2 of the video, grammar video, I'll be sharing the activity book I have made for articles. Till then, stay tuned and please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. Thank you. Bye-bye.